Hello everyone, welcome back to our ICT class, and this is video number 21. Hope you all are fine and safe. So, did you study the important topics which we have discussed previously in the last class? I hope it is so. So, what we have done, we have started our third chapter, and the chapter name is of Python graphics. It is mainly related to the Python language. And also it is the continuation of the chapter which you have studied in the previous year, Python programming. So what it is mainly dealing to create some geometrical shapes or animations or cartoons by using the language Python. And also we have familiarized different commands that used to create geometrical shapes. And also we have discussed about IDLE. IDLE is an integrated development environment that used to create this Python programs. Gene is also one of that example. So what is this IDE? IDE is the integrated development environment. It is a platform to compile and run the programming languages. And also we have discussed about turtle graphics. Some comments is not familiarized to our Python language, so we have to import it from the library. So it is a software, or we can name it as a library or a module. That name is turtle graphics, from which we can import the comments. So we have discussed these all things in the previous class. So today we will be doing programs related to that. We will be creating geometrical shapes and patterns. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So now we will be discussing about that. So before that, I will be explaining more about these comments. So you can write it in the in your notebook, and also all you have to take the you have a textbook also. You have to take the textbook page number 47. Okay. So these are some of the comments you have to keep in mind while doing the program. The first one is the comment forward. This comment is to move the turtle forward by a specific distance. To a specific distance, we have to we can use this forward comment to move the turtle forward by a specific distance. By default, the distance is to right direction. For the Python, in the Python language, while creating this geometrical shapes and all, by default we will move to the right direction only. And the right, which is the comment right, it is the turn turtle right by angle units. Okay, you can see when we apply the comment right, you can see the arrow mark is moving to right with the angle of units, which how much degree. If it is of 60 degree, so this arrow mark will move, or the turtle will move 60 degree right. And the next one is of left. So there you can see it is the turn left by angle units. Okay. So if it is of 30 degree, so the arrow mark, or we can name it as turtle, will move 30 degree to left direction. And another one is pen size. Pen size is to set the line thickness. Okay. After writing the programming language, when we are creating its output, you can see it in a window, graphics window. So there for getting the output, the geometrical shapes, when we if there is possibility to increase the thickness of the lines. Okay, if we are drawing a circle, or if we are drawing a rectangle, the thickness of the line thickness can be increased. So for that we can use the comment pen size. And the last one is of clear. The clear means to clear the code, or to clear the output. What all figures we have drawn in our output window, that can be cleared using the clear comment. So these are the things that you have to keep in mind before doing the program. And this is the first program in the page number 47 itself. The program 4.1. It is for drawing a square. Okay, to draw a square. So we will be doing that. So just have a look. Okay. So for that, what we have to do, we have to take application, programming, and in programming go to the option IDLE. So here you can see this our Python shell is appeared here. So here if I will be showing just for familiarizing, I will be showing some comments. Okay, first what we have to do, we have to import the comments from the Turtle library. So we have to write the code from Turtle import star. Okay, click enter. After that we can write dot of 20. You can see the dot here. Next you can write forward of 100. You can see the turtle moves to the right direction. You can see the distance is of 100 centimeter. And the next you can write right of 60. You can see here this arrow mark, it turns to 60° right. Okay, next time again I am writing the comment forward of 100. So now you can see to the right direction in angle 60° the turtle moved. Next I am writing of left of 90. Click enter. So you can see the arrow mark is moving to the 90° left. Okay, and at last I am writing forward of 100 itself. So now you can see it is the turtle moved 90° left. You can in the 90° left in 100 centimeter distance you can see here. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So these all are some of the comments, and you can see the output also here. Okay, so now I am going to type the program to create a square. Okay, so here in the Python shell we can create only one program and all. So for writing more than one program and for doing several, we can write the several comments and codes. So for that we can use a text editor. The text editor is available in the file menu. You can see here new file. Click on that. This is a text editor, and here we can type the program. But the program 4.1 is telling to create a square. So first we have to write the comment from turtle import star. After that they have given about loop. Okay, you already studied about the conditional statements and the loop. Okay, so here what they have given, we need 4 lines for creating a square. We need 4 lines. 4 sides are there for a square. So for creating that, we have to write like forward of 100, right of 90° right. In the same way we have to write 4 times, then only we will be getting each this forward of 100 and right of 90. When we when we run the program, we will be getting one side only. So for getting the 4 sides we have to write the code repeatedly. 4 times we have to write the code, right? Is it clear? So I will show you in this format. I am typing the code 4 times, and after that we have to, before running the program, we have to save. So they will be asking where we have to save. I am typing the file name as square, save here. It is already exists. Yeah. Next, in the option run, here you can take the option run module. So now you can see the 4 sides came, and you got a square in this format. Okay, so instead of writing this code repeatedly, what we can do, we can use the loop. Okay, we can use the loop. So if you are using the loop, there is no need of writing the same code repeatedly. So for loop I am using for I you all studied in the last year, for I in range of 4. Okay, 4 times it must be repeated. So we have to write the this statement. Write the comment as range of 4. After that, no need of these all things, right? We can cut that. Only we need to write the comment. Only single time we can write the comment, and we can put it in the loop, for loop. So here also what I am doing is, after that, before running the program, save in the run option. So this I will close before that. Okay, run module. Just a second. Yeah, now it is what it is showing. It is showing the error. Okay, if I am running that, it is showing. It is showing an error. Okay, so why it is showing the error? After writing the for loop, we have to write the code in a specific format. When you click enter, where the cursor is coming, under the position I. Okay, so here we have to write the code. Okay, under the, from here we have to start writing the comments under the loop. Okay, forward 100, right of 90. Okay, I am saving this. Run module. So now you can see, you will get the output here. So while writing the this code for the loop, okay, we have to, after writing the loop, we have to write the comments from under the I. We have to put a tab. Okay, automatically the tab will come. If the tab is not coming, we have to put the tab, and under the I we have to, if it is I or if it is J, which loop we are using, for loop or if loop, any loop we can use. So that we will be studying. So you have to write the comments by putting the tab. Okay, so now you got the output. In this way we can create the square in Python language. Okay, so I hope it is clear to all of you. So this is the program 4.1 to create a square in the by using for loop. Okay, in the page number 48, in page number 48 you can see another 3 programs. It is for creating triangle, pentagon and hexagon. So that also I will be showing to you. So just have a look. The same thing we are using. For getting the triangle, we need only the 4 sides, right? 4 sides we need. So for I in the range of 3, here they have written forward of 100 and left. They have given the left of 120. Okay, for I in the range of 3, forward of 100, left of 120. Okay, the turtle must move in 120 degree angle in left direction. Okay, so I am saving this under the option run module. So here you can see the triangle forms. Okay, so instead of writing this forward and left 3 times, we can put it in the loop. Okay, and the next one is of creating the pentagon. For the pentagon, we all know it has 5 sides. Okay, so we have to write the range of 5. Here you can forward of 100 and they are saying left of 72. Okay, left of 72. Here in the file, save the program in run module. So now you can see the pentagon forms here. Okay, and the third one, they asked to write the program by ourselves. What they are saying, hexagon. So how we can write the program? You can write the program here while watching the video. You can write it in the textbook. For I in the range of 6, for the hexagon it is of 6 side. So for I in the range of 6, forward of 100, and here they have given the picture. How much degree it must turn left? 60 degree. Okay, so we have to write the 60 degree. Okay, I'm saving this and in run, click run module. So now you can see the hexagon also formed here in the Python Turtle graphics window. You can see the output. Okay, so we have created in this format. So in this way, in Python language, we can create a lot of geometrical shapes. Okay, the things that you have to keep in mind is, we have to first you have to write the code from turtle import star. We have to import these comments from the turtle library or module. Okay, and instead of writing these comments repeatedly, we can make it as a loop. Okay, we can use the for loop. And the next thing is, after writing the loop, we have to put a tab and we have to write the comments for getting the output. So I hope it is clear to you. So these all are the programs. For first we have created, we have drawn a square, we draw a rectangle and also pentagon and hexagon. So these all are the 4 programs, and so I hope it is clear. And the next one is of pattern using geometrical figures. We can you create the pattern using the geometrical figures. If we want to create a pattern using a rectangle, that is also possible. If we can, by using the triangle also, we can create the this pattern. Okay, so here I am going to create a pattern. In the textbook page number 49, you can see the picture of a pattern, Python Turtle graphics. Okay, you can see that window. So how we can take that, how we can create the pattern, that also we will be discussing here. So for that, here when you check in that pattern, so I will be showing the pattern. Just a second, I will close this. Once more I will open for creating the pattern. Okay, here in the textbook I will show the pattern. So, yeah, this is the pattern. Okay, we have to create this pattern. So for that, when you observe this pattern, you can see it is of square. Here the squares are repeated 6 times. Okay, here the squares are repeated 6 times. So first we have to create the for loop. But first we have to write the for loop for creating one square. Okay, that is the for loop here. For j in range of 4, forward of 100 and right of 90. Here the distance is of 100 centimeter. This distance is of 100 centimeter, and they are telling 90 degree right, 90 degree angle right, they are telling. So first we have to create a square with 4 sides. So without writing this forward and right several times, we can use the loop and we can write the range of 4. Okay, so when we do that, we will get a square. So next what they are asking, we need to repeat the square in several times. Okay, 6 times they are asking to repeat. Here you can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 times the squares are repeated, and it is repeated in a particular way. You can notice here it is repeated in 60 degree angle in the right direction. In 60 degree angle, these squares are repeated. So how we can write the this program? First we have to write the this comments for creating a single rectangle. After that we have to write one more loop. We have to write one more for loop for getting these squares 6 times with 60 degree angle. Okay, so that also we will be doing here. If any doubts, please feel free to ask me in the Google Meet. Okay, so that I can explain it more I can explain. Okay, so for that I am going to open application programming. I am taking the option IDLE. So here we will be going to take a new editor, file, new file. Okay, so here what we have to write first, from we have to import the comments from library, turtle library, from turtle import star, enter. Okay. After that we can write the comment clear, and also I am writing the pen size. That means if I want to increase the width of the line, I can write the pen size, and it is writing for I in range of 6, range of 6 colon. Already the tab is appeared by default. Right of 60. Again we have to start one more loop. For j in range of 4. We have to put the tab. Forward of 100 and right of 90. Here we have to put the colon. So now you can see from turtle import star clear, pen size for I in the range of 6, right of 60, for j in the range of 4, forward of 100 and right of 90. So I am going to save this file and naming it as pattern. Click save, run. So now you can see the difference. Here we have used 2 loops. One loop is for creating one square, creating only a single square. We need the 4 sides square. We have used one loop, and another for creating the pattern. We have used one more loop. Here you can see the rectangle. This square is repeated 6 times in 60 degree angle. So I hope it is clear to all of you. So this much we are discussing in this session. So what all things we have studied? We have discussed about of creating different discussed about to write the code in Python language for creating different geometrical figures, and also we have created one more pattern. Okay, so you have to practice the activity. Those who have computers and others have to study the code and mark in the textbook. I will be providing the notes also. Okay, so see you in the next class. If any doubts, please feel free to ask in the coming Google Meet. Okay, see you in the next class. Thank you. Bye.